In this session, you will learn about how to sort and filter the data existing in a sheet. So for that, under Home tab, Editing Group Sort and Filter option is there. So the data is like this, students data. So now select, these are the options. Sort A to Z option is there. Sort A to Z. First select the data and see sort A to Z means sort smaller to largest, and sort largest to smallest. So here it is based on student number it is sorting. Suppose I want to sort the data using student name field. Right now I am on student name, sort A to Z. So based on name it is sorting. E, G, H, alphabetic order came here. And suppose this time I want to sort using first name, then Z to A. See, first V, then U, R, M, like that, reverse order, descending order, Z to A came here. So usually we will sort the data based on student number, like that, suppose A to Z. So how you want to sort? You can select using custom sort option also. So here it is giving sort by column. We can also select other fields. For example, I want to sort by course. So by default, see, if I set OK, BA first came, then BCom, then BSc, then BZC, using course wise A to Z order. And then if you want to sort based on two columns, so first sort by course, then I can also add one more level, add level, then under course again I need to sort name wise. So that is under BA we have names, otherwise I am selecting first name wise. First name we have Krishna, Uday and Murali. So in this second sort, first preference is course, and under course again second preference is first name. So like that I selected here. So automatically the order will come first based on course, then under course again first Krishna came, next Murali, then Uday. So like that we can select under BCom also, first Jahnavi came, then Ravi. Under BSc also Iswar first, then Geeta, then Vikram. So like that we can select multiple sources to sort in custom sort order. If you don't want this level, you can delete the level. Okay, and you can also set sort on values or cell color or font color, and here we can set A to Z, Z to A, or custom list also we can select. Okay, based on this we can select. Okay, cancel I am giving. So like this we can use sort option for multiple sorting purpose. Suppose now I am selecting usually SNO based sorting, this one is okay, and then we can filter the data. So see, first you have to select the data or current data selection in the sheet, then we can apply filter. See, first field headings will get this filter button. SNO, SNAME, these are the headings or column headings. Now we will get the filter button. Here we can filter the data as per our requirement. Suppose if you don't want the particular data values, you can deselect them. Finally you say OK. Only the selected data will come. And suppose if you want all values, again select all. And if you want course wise, you can select either BA or BCom. If you don't want BA and BCom, you want BSc and BZC, then you can select. Only that particular data will come. And I am selecting everything. Otherwise, clear filter from course, that is also clears the filters what we filtered already. And here we can also use searches. Here we have text filters. Suppose begins with, ends with, contains, like that we are having. Suppose equal to, course equal to, I can say BA here. And of course in capital I am giving. Okay. Only that particular data will come. So like that we can use text filters. And does not equal to BA. So opposite to previous one. See, instead of BA, remaining courses will come. And begin with, already all are beginning with B, so all will come. See, courses, all courses will come. And ends with, suppose I want the ends with C. See, BSc, BZC, BSc, those courses will come, BA will not come. And contains also, columns contains what? Suppose columns contains something S. So S, BSc, in BSc S is there, and does not contains S. So instead of BSc, remaining courses will come. Why? Because in BA and BCom and BZC there is no S. And custom filter option you can customize as usual. Okay. So finally, if you don't want all these filters, means clear filters. And here also, if you don't want filters, clear, select these filters. I am deselecting the filter and deselect the filter to clear these filtered arrows. Okay, like that we can sort and filter the data in a sheet.